One backpack, one broken heart, one wild adventure. Helen was done with heartbreak. The divorce papers were signed. Her life felt like a mess. So she did something bold. She signed up for a wilderness survival course with total strangers. No Wi-Fi, no comfort, just mud, mosquitoes, and maybe a second chance at joy. At first it was chaos. Burnt food, blisters, awkward moments with a guy from her past. But as the trail grew tougher, Helen grew stronger. This wasn't just a hike, it was her healing journey. And just as she started smiling again, Netflix logged me out. Your subscription has expired. Seriously? Right at the good part? But then I found a way to get Netflix Premium free for 12 months. No credit card, no sketchy tricks, just pure binge-worthy happiness. Want to watch it too? Here's your free ticket. If you're into heartfelt transformations, serene mountain views, second chances and fresh starts, then Happiness for Beginners is your next must-watch. And guess what? Click the link in my description or bio to unlock Netflix Premium totally free. No payment, no trial, just pure happiness for beginners. Or pros. What would you leave behind to find happiness? Let me know in the comments and go hit that link to start watching.